Good day, boys and girls. We will be going over your Chapter 3, Divide by a One-Digit Divisor, Check My Progress Study Guide for Lessons 1, 3, 4, 5, and 9. Question 1. Write a fact family for each set of numbers. So we have the numbers 2, 5, and 10. We could have 2 times 5 equals 10. We could have 5 times 2 equals 10. We could have 10 divided by 2 equals 5. We could have 10 divided by 5 equals 2. For question number 2, a fact family could include 5 times 8 equals 40. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. Same thing for questions 3 and 4. We could have 4 times 9 equals 36. 9 times 4 equals 36. We could have 36 divided by 4 equals 9. We could have 36 divided by 9 equals 4. For question number 4, we could have 6 times 9 equals 54. We could have 9 times 6 equals 54. We could have 54 divided by 6 equals 9. We could have 54 divided by 9 equals 6. Time to divide. We have 26 and we're asked to divide that by 2. 2 is able to divide 2 one time. 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. 2 take away 2 equals 0. We bring down the 6. 2 is able to divide 6 3 times. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. 6 take away 6 equals 0. So the answer to number 5 is 13. For question number 6, we have 45, and we're asked to divide that by 4. 4 is able to divide 4 one time. 1 multiplied by 4 equals 4. We subtract and we get 1. Bring down the 5. 4 is able to divide 15 3 times. 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. When we subtract 15 minus 12, we get 3. 13 remainder 3 is our answer. 13 remainder 3. You can record this as a fraction, 13 and 3/4, because our next step, because 3 still needs to be divided by 4, and this fraction says 3 divided by 4. Question number 7. Let me change my color here. 39 divided by 3. 3 can divide 3 one time. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 take away 3 equals 0. Bring down the 9. 3 is able to divide 9 3 times. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. 9 take away 9 equals 0. There's nothing to bring down, so I'm done. 39 divided by 3 equals 13. Next problem, 89 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 take away 8 equals 0. Bring down the 9. 4 is able to divide 9 2 times. 2 times 4 equals 8. 9 take away 8 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. 89 divided by 4 equals 22, remainder 1. We can record the remainder as a fraction, 22 and 1/4. Divide mentally. Question number 9. 600 divided by 3. I'm going to divide 6 by 3 and get 2. Then I'm going to transfer the remaining zeros to the end to make 2 200. Question 10. 240 divided by 8. I'm going to divide 24 by 8 and get 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. And then I'm going to transfer the 0 to the end of the 3 to make it 30, or behind the 3 to make it 30. Question number 11, 80 divided by 4. I'm going to divide 8 by 4 and get 2. And then I'm going to put 1 0 behind the 2 to make it 20. 420 divided by 6. I'm going to divide 42 by 6, which is 7, because 7 times 6 is 42. And then I'm going to just add a 0 behind the 7 to make it 70. Question number 13. John went to the park and saw 44 animal legs. If each animal had 4 legs, how many animals did he see? Well, for this problem, we're going to take 44, and because every animal has 4 legs, we're going to divide that by 4. 4 is able to divide 4 one time. 4 times 1 is 4. We subtract, we get 0. We bring down the other 4. This is supposed to be an arrow, by the way. 4 is able to divide 4 one time, which is 4, and that equals 0. So there are 11 animals that he saw. Now, you probably could have done that with some mental math. You didn't actually need to do long division for that problem. Question number 14. Emma saw a total of 220 animals at the zoo. The animals are divided equally into 10 sections. How many animals are in each section? So our problem is 220 divided by 10. 10 cannot divide 2. It can divide 22 2 times. 2 times 10 is 20. 22 subtract 20 is 2. Bring down the 0. 10 can divide 20 2 times. 2 times 10 is 20. When we subtract, we have 0 left over. How many animals are in each section? 22 animals are in each section. Question 15. Label the parts of the division problems below. Okay, so we have 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 12 is going to be the dividend. Dividend. 3 is the divisor. Divisor. And 4 is the quotient. Quotient. Sorry, it's hard to fit in here. Next, it's written differently in a different format with a different type of division symbol. The quotient, which is the answer to the division problem, is 18. Four is the divisor. 75 is the dividend. And 3 is the remainder. Question 16. A group of related facts using the same numbers is called a blank blank. Well, that is called a fact family. Question 17. A letter or symbol used to represent an unknown value or an unknown quantity is called a variable. So in this case, T is a variable. It stands for an unknown. A missing value in a number sentence or equation is called n. This should be called n unknown, because we don't know what it is. Okay? Well, you should know what that is. It's 6. But until you say what it is, you don't know what it is. Number 19. Anne ran 1,025 meters in 5 minutes. How many meters did she run in 1 minute on average? Well, to solve this problem, we're going to take 1,025 meters and divide that by 5. This is called a unit rate because we're going to find out how many meters she ran in just 1 unit, and that unit is 1 minute. So 5 cannot divide 1, so we put a 0 above the 1. 5 can divide 10 2 times. 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. We subtract and we get 0. We bring down the 2. 5 cannot divide 2, so we're going to put a 0 above the 2. 0 times 5 is 0. We subtract and we get 2. We bring down the 5. 5 times 5 equals 25 with no remainder. So she is able to run 205 meters in 1 minute.